Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Tiana Michelle here. So today we're going to be doing a refrigerator and pantry organization video. As you can see, my refrigerator is a really hot mess right now. So I'm going to be cleaning that out, cleaning out my pantry, and then I'm going to show you what I'm going to use to reorganize and get this refrigerator and pantry together. So right now I'm just throwing away everything that I don't need that's expired, and I am going to just clean everything out, and I'm using just soap and water just to clean out the refrigerator. So I'm just completely removing everything from the refrigerator. This would give me an idea of what I need to restock on. This is a crab rangoon dip that I picked up from Aldi, and I posted a TikTok video about this dip, and so many people had so many things to say about it. I really enjoyed it, but obviously some of you didn't. And the lobster dip I really did not enjoy. And you guys, I really did not know how disgusting this refrigerator was. Like, look at this, really disgusting. I'm so embarrassed. But I was able to get that mess clean, and the refrigerator is super duper clean now. So now I'm just putting everything back in the refrigerator using some bins that I got off Amazon. I'll link them down below. So you'll see me reorganizing the bins in different ways, trying to see what is the best fit. Also, as I'm cleaning out the refrigerator, I did not realize how many sauces we had. My husband loves to cook, and every time he goes out to get the ingredients, he picks up a different sauce and different spices. So you'll see how many different sauces we have. It's ridiculous. Now I'm moving on to my super duper narrow pantry space. As you can see, I've just got stuff thrown in there, and also at the very bottom, this cable box is taking up a lot of space. So I'm trying to figure out how I'm going to work with this small space at the bottom. So now I'm just going to remove everything from the pantry, and then we'll go from there. So now that I've removed everything, I'm going to be using some bins that I got from Dollar Tree, and I'm just going to be organizing it in different ways just to see what's the best fit for each of the items. As you can see, my daughter was being very clingy in this video, and it was hard to get things done, but I was able to get it done. I also reorganized the drawer where I keep my teas, and I just took everything out of the box and put them into little containers from Dollar Tree. Next, I'm moving along to the cabinet that's across from the pantry and organizing this. I keep some snacks here, some baking goods here, and also some jar goods. So I'm just going to reorganize this a little bit. And here I'm just using some disinfectant wipes to wipe down the cabinets. Okay, now that I've completely organized my refrigerator and my pantry, I went out to my local grocery store here in Florida, Publix, and I got some items. So basically everything in this haul was buy one get one free. And if the item was not buy one get one free, most likely I had a coupon for it, with the exception of the eggs because that's just something that we needed. But everything here was buy one get one free, or I had a coupon for it. So now I'm just going to put away all of the things that I just purchased. You might see me rearrange some things, but I'm going to be putting away these things in the refrigerator and the pantry. And we also have another small fridge that I keep in the dining room for more drinks and a snack area. And that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you enjoyed what you've watched today. Stay tuned for more videos like this, and I'll see you on the next one.